Hello, I'm attorney Bryce Mackay, and this is my business partner, attorney Clint Williams. We own Northwest Estate Plans by Bromley Mackay Williams. Collectively, between the two of us, we have over 20 years of estate planning experience.
This series is a clear, no jargon guide to estate planning in Washington. What you need, who it's for, when to do it, where we can help, and why it really matters. We're excited to share our expertise with you as we have helped thousands of Washington residents over the years.
This course is for singles, couples, parents, homeowners, and friends or family of someone who wants a simple, complete plan. You'll learn how wills, powers of attorney, trusts, and other key documents protect you and the people you love. Remember, this course isn't mandatory before booking your free planning meeting with our law firm. In our complimentary meeting via Zoom or in person, our team will explain everything in this course that applies to you and your situation in about 25 minutes. But if you want to feel more informed, we encourage you to keep watching.
People frequently ask, when is the best time to start my plan? The best time is before a crisis, ideally now. An estate plan includes a variety of documents that are useful both while you're living and once you've passed away. If you don't set up an estate plan, then you run the risk of allowing the government to determine who's in charge of your estate, how assets are divided, who would take care of your minor children, and setting up your loved ones to pay a lot of unnecessary fees and possible estate tax.
You might be thinking, I'm young, do I really need this? The answer is yes. Incapacity and emergencies can happen at any age. You might also think, we don't have a lot of money. A basic plan prevents expensive, avoidable problems later. And no, this is not only about death. Half of estate planning protects you while you're living if you cannot make decisions for yourself.
We can work with you in person if you're local, or virtually via Zoom wherever you're located in the world, as long as you're a resident of Washington State.
That means you can complete your plan from home, work, or while traveling, as well as help a distant friend or family member living in Washington do the same. It is fast, secure, and convenient.
This is all possible because in 2024, we worked with lawmakers in Washington State to pass what's called the Electronic Estate Planning Documents Act, which allows for virtual signings of estate planning documents. As a result, we're one of the only firms in the state that can prepare your estate plan completely online.
We've streamlined this process so that when you're ready to sign your documents, we have a virtual notary and witnesses at the ready. And you can sign everything in a matter of minutes using your phone, tablet, or a computer.
Stay with us here. Each short episode builds on the last, and by the end, you will understand exactly what to do and how to do it.
But if you're already bored and want to talk to our team directly in a complimentary planning meeting to learn all of this same information and how it applies to your situation, simply scan this QR code with your phone if you're watching on a laptop or TV.
You can also click the link in the description below this video to schedule your free planning meeting directly on our website at nwestateplans.com, or you can text the phrase "Sign Me Up" to 425-587-8500, and we will give you a call to book your slot.